Hello everybody, it's me Asong Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna drive barefoot driving again. So after this one, I'm gonna wear high heels or else the stockings because I bought already a fishnet stocking. So they call it fishnet, I don't know. So for now, let's get started. So again everyone, it's me. We're gonna drive now with a barefoot. We're gonna drive now with a barefoot driving. So foot brake, drive, blinker left, and let's go drive. So as I said, I've been to salon today, and this is my nail colors that I use for driving. And later on, I have to go back for the car wash because I've been to the market also. I was in the market today and put some meat today. So barefoot driving on the way home. I'm on the way home, so I'm gonna tell you tips and tricks in driving here. So there are people that are not comfortable in without shoes, proper shoes, then wear proper shoes. And of course, safety first in driving. And while driving in the mountain, you only have to be aware with the animals like dogs, cats, and people crossing to the street. And now there's a truck after me, reversing. So when you stop using an automatic car, you can just stay your foot in the gas pedal. You don't have to brake. Just drive slowly in the gas pedal. So for new drivers, you can always drive like using this gas pedal, and you just have to drive it just slowly. So for uphill driving, you don't have to use a brake with uphill drive unless when you are in a curve. You can just use brake, of course, but what I mean when you are just uphill driving in a straight lane, just keep your foot in the gas pedal. So just like what I do now is I'm just gonna press a little bit to keep your car moving, especially when there is traffic. Just keep pressing your car, and also just be aware for the cars ahead of you that you will not roll back. So if you don't wanna roll back your car so that your car will stay, well, so that your car will not rolling back, you have to be sure that you press the gas when you're using the gas pedal. Of course not when you're using the automatic car. We're not talking about an automatic car, because I was talking at the same time I saw something like a car is overtaking and not safe place like that, and there was a car also parking in the area. So that's how I do it. So foot brake, and then the same thing you can always do like this. Just chill, relax. And if you're a new driver, don't be afraid to use your brake. It is normal to use your brake all the time if you are a new driver, because you are afraid of the speed. But the speed will come later, and you just don't think about driving anymore. It's like you act with it naturally. Like you just don't think about everything, how you drive, how you center your lane. And the important there is you just be in your lane and you know how to brake, and then don't be panic. And of course you always have to watch your mirror like that, and just drive slow. Don't mind other people or other drivers. Let them pass to you, let them overtake you. If they are angry to you, let them be angry at you, because you're just new driver. And you have to remind that you just have to be patient in the road. You cannot be just get angry all the time. especially for those good driver, like let's say a good driver or the driver that knows already how to drive in the traffic and the mountain and everything. So we have to be humble in the road, because especially for those new drivers, because we also come from there, come from there, because we also been there. So for me, in my experience as a new driver, I also drive very slow, and sometimes I was thinking I have to put in my car, behind my car, like new driver, like that, I was thinking about that, so that I don't have to worry that the car is following me, because I feel stressed, not that bad stress, like I feel stressed when there's a car following me, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm just like in the parade, like doing a parade very slow, and of course I have to use my brake all the time, but it is normal, because later on you will not do that anymore. It's just for your safety first. It is okay. And driving uphill, my god, is not scary anymore. There are a lot of people that are afraid to drive in the mountains, especially when they are new drivers. No, you don't have to be afraid. You just have to try to press your gas pedal to the floor, and then when you feel that one, you can feel also that, oh, it's not bad at all, because it's like you are flying when you think about pressing the pedals to the floor, but that's not gonna happen. I heard some bump in my car. So for now is we're gonna drive again. So we're here, and for now we're gonna park. So foot brake, we're gonna use this one. Drive. Wait some. Down. And there it goes. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you want to join to be part of my members, you can just click join next to subscribe button, and then click level 3. And if you want to donate for some shoes, or send some cash to my PayPal account for donation for my driving video, well, you're welcome to do that, and just check on my description. So thank you all for watching. Love you all, and thank you for the love and support. Bye, see you next vlog.